So we are going to Elijah's senior ball. Since he couldn't make it to his, we figured we'd bring it to him. So now we're at the hospital, and we're going to be heading to his senior ball. Look at him. Look at Snazzy. Okay, let me see, Elijah. Let us see you. You looking great, bud. Okay, let's take him to his ball, shall we? Say hi, Caleb.
Hi, everybody.
Looks great.
Somebody grab onto his... I don't know how I'm supposed to turn him up.
Come on. Look at my baby. He's looking awesome. We going to the senior ball for him. This night belongs to him. Oh, hold up. Back that up just a second. Okay. Sorry, guys, for this whole, technicality malfunction. Come on, let's roll. That's okay. We ain't gonna let it stop us from having a great time. I'm about to show y'all the support system that he got. They are always awesome and on time. Yep. Where is it? I don't even know where it is. Oh, okay. Thank you. Look at this. Let's go, y'all. I'm sorry. Come on. We going straight? All right, let's roll. Okay. Ain't nothing gonna stop us. We gonna do this. He couldn't go, so we brought it to him. Let's get this on the ball. 2019 Senior Ball, Liverpool Warriors. Come on, you got it, Top?
Yeah, but I just don't want to go too fast.
That's okay. No, you're good. Go ahead. Hospital was so awesome. They set all of this up for us, and so that he didn't miss his ball since he couldn't be there. They worked so hard, as always, to make everything awesome for him, great for him. Okay. Look at him. Say hi to his nurses, all of his nurses, everybody. Thank you. Let me go open the door. I got you. Thank you. Come on. Come on, this way. Come on. Look at them shoes. Y'all see them shoes? He dressed to impress for the day, honey. Yes. Right here. Ain't nothing gonna stop his shine at all. We got this. We always gonna have this. You ready for your senior ball, baby? You ready? Yeah. Come through in style. We got this. About to make his grand entrance into his senior ball. Family over everything. Look at this. Senior ball for Elijah. Everybody say hi. He's coming. He'll be here in 1 second. Senior ball. They made it happen. Everybody. They made it happen for him. Look at these beauties. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, all for you, bud. All for you. We got this. Wherever you want to go. Got food. Got his cake. All his friends, family. This is our family, everybody. You can put that against the wall. You turn the music up. We could close the doors, turn the music up. They here to party. They're not here to just sit. Sis phone. I don't know. Just turn it up. You can turn it up.
Mom, I'm not the one playing music.
It's okay. Turn on. You turn on.
Hi, honey.
Good. You guys don't want chairs? We got plenty of chairs. We can line the chairs up so you guys can have a seat.
I'll help. What do you want?
You guys can put them anywhere you want so you guys can have a seat. I don't want you guys standing around. Guys, thank you so much.
This is so nice.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Make
you.
sure that they do like all the stuff over there so they can make selfies.
Oh.
There's the frames and the best girl and the best whatever.
Thank you. Thank you. Anywhere you want. Anywhere you want. You can even put them over there. You guys, this is for selfies. You guys can take pictures all back there. Be my guest. You good? Okay. Yep, you guys sit. For selfies. Look how awesome they are. The hospital did all of this for him. Look at this. Can't ask for a better place. Just so he wouldn't miss anything. They bought it to him. Look at how awesome all the girls look. Thanks, Ryan. Thanks for picking something up for me.
Oh, of course. Anytime. Anything you need.
I'll show you guys a picture later once his date gets in. I'm going to put up pictures, but I'm going to end this live so that I can enjoy time with my baby boy and enjoy time with all of his friends, family. So we'll be back on later. I may not go live, but I'll definitely have some pictures for you guys. So you guys have a great night.